Hi, it's Andy at Atkinson Specialist Vans. Back here on another beautiful day in sunny Scunthorpe. Just going to show you around this Volkswagen Crafter. It's just arrived with us. Only just registered on a 73 plate delivery mileage, and this is about as good as it gets in terms of a spec. So this is a 177 PS 4MOTION Crafter medium wheelbase with the DSG gearbox and the high roof. As you can see, it's got the LED headlights at the front, make a huge difference for nighttime driving. Front fog light pack 2 and parking sensors there as well. Now the sensors are front and rear, and it does have the side sensor pack 2. So as mentioned, a huge spec on this. It's a 3-seat van in factory two-tone leatherette. Now this one has the Discover Media Navigation head unit, which also gives you wireless app connect. Now that means with Android Auto or with CarPlay, you can connect directly to the head unit without having to plug into one of these two charge points here. It just connects straight through. Now, other nice features in here, it's got a heated front screen and heated steering wheel, both of which are options. Heated front seats too, and a real important one if you're going to take it off-road is the diff lock there. It has got diff lock option. Cruise control, auto lights and wipers too. And it has got the overhead cab storage and air conditioning. Power fold mirrors as well. And when I get around the other side, I will show you the controls for the Ergo Active driver's seat, as that's a very rare option on one of these. So we'll keep going round. As you know, it's a delivery mileage vehicle, so it is as you would expect it to be, with no defects. It's got a high level reversing camera on the top there. Twin doors at the back. Now the inside is left completely standard so that you can do what you want with it, use it as a work van or convert it to your specific conversion. We specialise in styling and upgrading these vehicles. So there are style packs available on this one, where we can put 20-inch wheels on with grabber tyres, running boards, do a lot of body colouring, gloss blacking, spoilers, etc., which is what we do on these vehicles. So speak to us about that and we can get it just how you want it to be. We can also do swamper stuff. So here's the Ergo Active seat. It's basically like an air suspension seat. Just takes all the bumps out of the drive for the driver. There's different settings on it, so you can control how firm or not the suspension is in it. It's a really nice driving experience, particularly if you're going to cover some miles in it. Now it comes with the full Volkswagen 3-year warranty and roadside assist. So great vehicle, as I say, for either work or for conversion. Now we've got 20 plus photos on our website, including a photo of what it could look like styled up as we normally do them. So please do have a look on there at justnicevans.co.uk. We can of course offer finance and part exchange facilities. So if you're interested in this vehicle, please do get in touch with us. Thanks for watching.